Xiaomi and Samsung are back with their latest premium flagships, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Both phones promise top-tier specs, advanced cameras, and the latest processors. But how do they stack up against each other? Neither Xiaomi nor Samsung is reinventing the wheel this year. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra sticks to a curved front and metal frame, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues with its now familiar industrial design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra sports a titanium frame, which makes it both lighter and more durable than aluminum. It also features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back and Corning Gorilla Armor 2 on the front. And at 208 ingrams, it's slightly lighter than the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Xiaomi is using an aerospace-grade glass fiber, or eco-leather, on the back of the 15 Ultra. Its aluminum frame might not be as tough as titanium, but it keeps the weight in check at 226 grams to 299 grams. It's a bit thicker at 9.4 millimeters, likely due to its 6,000 mAh battery. Both devices are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, so they can handle the occasional dunk without issue. In terms of display, both offer LTPO AMOLED panels with QHD Plus resolution and adaptive 120Hz refresh rates. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra edges ahead in terms of brightness with a 3200 nit peak compared to S25 Ultra's 2600 nits. That said, let's not get too caught up in the numbers. Both should be plenty bright for outdoor use. One standout feature of the S25 Ultra is, of course, the S Pen, whether you actually use it or not. Samsung did remove its Bluetooth functionality this year, which is a bit of a downgrade, but it's still handy for quick notes or doodling when boredom strikes. Plus, the S25 Ultra's display gets an anti-reflective coating, making it even easier on the eyes. The new flagships run on Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm, the latest and most powerful chip from Qualcomm. However, Samsung's variant is clocked slightly higher, with its Oryon V2 Phoenix L cores hitting 4.47 GHz compared to 4.2 GHz on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. In real-world use, though, the difference is unlikely to be noticeable. Both devices handle gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven features with ease. On the software side, Samsung promises 7 years of Android updates with One UI 7, giving it a serious longevity advantage. Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 offers a slick experience, but only comes with 4 years of major updates. Cameras are where these two flagships show stark differences. The Galaxy S25 Ultra keeps its 200-megapixel primary sensor, but Xiaomi has gone for a 1-inch Type 50-megapixel sensor with a wider f1.6 aperture, which should capture more light. For zoom capabilities, the S25 Ultra has 3x optical zoom, 10-megapixel sensor, 5x periscope zoom, 50-megapixel sensor. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel sensor, 4.3x periscope zoom, 200-megapixel sensor. Xiaomi's Leica-tuned optics and larger periscope sensor should provide better detail and natural bokeh, while Samsung's AI processing and best face feature cater to casual users. On the selfie front, Samsung sticks with 12-megapixel, while Xiaomi opts for 32-megapixel, giving it an edge in resolution. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a 6,000 mAh battery, making it one of the largest in a flagship phone. But that's for the Chinese variant. The global model is expected to get a slightly smaller 5,410 mAh cell, which still beats the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh. Xiaomi also crushes charging speeds with 90-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, compared to Samsung's 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless. This means the Xiaomi 15 Ultra can fully charge in under 40 minutes, while the S25 Ultra takes nearly an hour. Alongside S Pen, Dex Mode is an add-on you get on every Samsung flagship that lets you use your phone like a desktop. If you're into productivity tools, this could be very useful for you. Meanwhile, Xiaomi offers two-way satellite communication, which lets you send messages even without cellular reception. That could be life-saving in emergencies. Both phones have Wi-Fi 7, eSIM support, and ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. If you want the best stylus experience, longer software support, and a refined AI-powered camera, the Galaxy S25 Ultra remains a solid pick. If you prefer faster charging, more aggressive camera hardware, and a slightly lower price, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is compelling if you can get it in your region. Both phones are iterative upgrades rather than any major innovations. Unless you're upgrading from a much older model, last year's Xiaomi 14 Ultra or Galaxy S24 Ultra may still hold up well. But if you're choosing between the two, it's a matter of whether you value hardware advancements or Samsung's ecosystem consistency more. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.